Happy holidays from Restore a Muscle Car. We have the year-end special coming up this week, Black Friday. We're gonna have all kinds of specials on our website. We have a full inventory of cars, projects to high-end cars available for you. Send us your offer. And if you're looking for something specific, don't hesitate to give us a shout, because we have a lot of stuff that becomes available this time of year. We have a lot of clients that are maybe wanting to sell something too. So give us a shout, make us an offer, everything's considered. This next week, the 24th through the 27th, Black Friday specials, buy one, get one free on shop apparel. And then we're gonna have all kinds of discounts on our parts that we sell, make, and produce for you guys, for your Firebirds, Blazers, trucks, you name it. In order to get those discounts, you have to go to our website, join our email list in order to get the discount codes to be able to participate. So restoreamusclecar.com, join the email list, make sure you like, share, and tag all of our social media major platforms, and we'll be promoting all the different products that we have available for sale, but you have to join in order to get the email to get the discount code. Thank you.